Here's a top tip that's easy on the wallet and big on convenience. Cheap tool bags. You can often find them at pound shops, hardware clearance bins, or part of a promo deal. Take my blue bag for example. Straight from a pound shop, it's my pallet busting kit. Big crowbars don't fit, but it comfortably holds all the small crowbars, a lump hammer, pliers, and many more. And then there's my yellow bag, home to my old favourite, the classic Black & Decker power drill. Nothing fancy, but gets the job done when I'm drilling into bricks and mortar or helping out at jobs at my son's house. One day, we'll have an SDS drill. And then finally, there's the orange bag, a special offer from Magnuson. It came loaded with all of these tools. I've added a few Parkside bits from Lidl just to round it off. This is my go-to bag when I'm working away from the workshop, packed and ready to go for whatever the job throws at me.
Lovely. Hope you've enjoyed. See you again.